Since the time of Confederation, the success of Canadian towns and cities has been founded on the expansion of centralized electricity generation and fossil fuel distribution. This energy system has supported rapid urbanization in Canada. More than 80% of Canadians live in urban areas. That's up from 38% in 1901. By 2020, more than 85% of Canadians will live in cities and towns. Ontario's Greater Golden Horseshoe region is the largest urban area in the province and one of the fastest growing in North America. It is expected to grow by 50% by 2041. Today, more than 80% of Ontario's population lives in the region. Our towns and cities influence nearly 60% of our nation's energy consumption and over half of the country's greenhouse gas emissions. Yet most urban decision makers have not been engaged actively in energy decision making for more than a century. This is changing. Communities will play a more direct role in our future energy systems, and land use planners will play a leading part. A global energy transition is underway that is moving us away from our current, centralized and fossil fuel-based energy system to more sustainable, distributed, renewable energy systems that are co-located with sources of energy demand. Rather than just focus on energy supply, communities are beginning to consider energy demand, where and how they use energy. Conventional urban planning sees energy being addressed after buildings or community design is completed. However, successfully navigating the transition at a city scale demands strong integration between urban planning and development and energy planning and development. The International Energy Association research confirms that successful urban energy planning is only possible if energy is integrated into the entire urban planning process. But in many countries, including Canada, consideration of energy issues is still largely absent in the land use planning process. The Canadian legacy of siloed urban land use and energy system planning is a significant barrier to achieving a more coordinated and timely transition to low-carbon, sustainable, and climate-resilient communities. This is why we need the energy-conscious city.